I love this two emotion game. Positive and negative. Good thought and bad thought, because I've seen it. I've seen it. I know how it works. I mean, I'm still trying to figure out how to do it, really. I mean, it's a lot of work, especially when I've only been exposed to the knowledge of knowing what thought is all about. I mean, it's been, well, it will be my 2-year anniversary in about a few weeks from now, from when I would first heard of what the law of attraction was. Things get beautiful because you're trying to question the Mayan calendar to being right and to being wrong. And you're looking at the consciousness. So we're going from truth to creation. So if the Mayan calendar is right, expect there to be a huge shift and increase of conscious co-creating knowledge from the time frame of relatively now, but to get really big. Halloween even, but I like to say Christmas, but you know what, Halloween even. I think the Mayan calendar is faster than that. Halloween, a huge development as far as information or something that's got to do with creation. Creation. How do we create? Why do we create? When do we create? With what do we create with? If we are in the truth age, this is the perfect time to question everything.